Not all agronomists were born in the field and understand the professional and healthy cultivation of crops. The majority of such professionals do not have sufficient knowledge in the field of proper use of fertilizers, plant protection products, adjuvants, etc. You can listen to your inner self and become an agricultural producer without having sufficient qualifications. But this is not always a practical solution. The importance of agronomy in the world is simply fundamental. Cultivation of high quality and diverse varieties or hybrids of plants, proper control of invasive pests, and environmental protection are essential characteristics of a modern agronomist. Many different fertilizers on the global food market can help nourish plants with nutrients. Due to ignorance in this area, people face unforeseen difficulties, which require a highly qualified specialist who understands their business. At Wonder, we are aware of the importance of the agricultural producer's profession and know that there are many crops in the world with their specific cultivation requirements. That is why we have developed our line of fertilizers and adjuvants that help to grow any crop. In addition, to ensure that farmers receive high quality and comprehensive information on cultivation promptly, we have introduced a free 24/7 agronomic support service. We created this service primarily to consult farmers worldwide to help them when planting and sowing to obtain consistently high yields, because the land does not like emptiness. To achieve the most effective result, our team of highly qualified agronomists will assist with the following: consultations on the nutrition of agricultural crops, selection of rates and application methods of fertilizers for foliar feeding, recommendations for improving agricultural crop cultivation technologies, development of individual technological schemes for crop cultivation considers soils, crop rotation, and varieties hybrids individually for your geographic and climatic conditions, providing information about our products, their agrochemical properties and research results. One LLC agronomist experts are happy to provide you with a free 24/7 consultation on all your questions, no matter where in the world you are. So, we invite you to cooperate.